Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Gutlon and I'm your New York City tour guide. Today's stop is the Plaza Hotel. The plaza in Plaza Hotel is named after the Grand Army Plaza here, which is a site for a few memorials dedicated to the Civil War. The original 8-floor building could not be built upon, so therefore in 1905 it was completely destroyed to create the current hotel, which is 19 floors. The plaza was built with the intention to look like a French chateau skyscraper. The hotel's opening day coincided with the introduction of the city's first ever taxi cabs, which would line up out front of the hotel. The Plaza Hotel is still one of the only places you can hail either a taxi cab or a horse-drawn carriage. But since it's raining today, there are no horse-drawn carriages. Surprisingly, the most luxurious suites are on the 5th floor or lower, since elevators weren't very popular. The staff used to stay on the upper floors. The hotel was one of the first of its kind to be pet-friendly and was also featured in many movies and TV shows. This ultra-valuable piece of property was once the Fifth Avenue Pond. In 1986, the plaza was recognized as a National Historic Landmark. Among the chic equipment in the Frank Gehry-inspired fitness center, you can see a few older and less polished walls. The original New York City subway tile and old coal chutes exposed, marking the hotel basement's original purpose. Chef Boyardee once worked at the hotel. This famous portrait of Eloise that hangs in the hotel's palm court is actually a replacement, since the original was stolen and never found. And don't forget to join me tomorrow for more.